Today's activity is a kitchen picture match. So in your week 1 packets, you have a packet that looks like this. This is just the cover. We're going to put this away, and what we're going to do is we're going to find each of these items in your own kitchen, and I'm going to walk you through my kitchen and show you where these items are placed. Then, when we're finished finding all our items, what we're going to do is we're going to take this last page and we're going to cut these squares out, and then we are going to glue or tape them next to the appropriate picture. Okay, so let's start. The very first item is a refrigerator, and as you can see probably right behind me is my refrigerator. Yep, here's my refrigerator. So if I want to put a little check mark, that one is found. My refrigerator is a little different. My freezer's on the bottom and my refrigerator is on the top, so it's a little different than most refrigerators. All right, the next item is a plate. Here is a blue plate. My plates are red. Your plates are probably a different color, and that is okay. In my kitchen, I have 2 places I keep my plates. One location is here. These are my large dinner plates. And then the other location, when all those are dirty, which happens often, I grab one of these littler ones from over here. So I have 2 spots. Check. Next, I'm going to look for a fork. My silverware drawer is located here. You open it up, and inside my silverware drawer, there's this separator. And here is where I keep my forks. Check. In the same drawer, I'm going to look for a butter knife. We call it a butter knife, but it's just a knife that's not very sharp, and it's usually used to spread butter or peanut butter or jam. And here is my butter knife. Okay, let's see what's next. Let's see if there's something else in this drawer. There is. The next item is a spoon. I have 2 kinds of spoons. Actually, I have 3 kinds of spoons. One is a larger spoon I use sometimes to stir things when I'm cooking. Then I have a smaller spoon that's used like to eat cereal. And then I have a baby spoon for my grandson when he comes over to eat. So we can check that off. Next are bowls. My bowls are kept in this cupboard on this side. I have 2 different kinds just because I like these. I just bought them. But I have red and then these flower ones. So here's my cereal bowl. So I can check. Oh, the next one is in the same cupboard. It's a cup. I keep my glass cups here. I keep my coffee cups here. And then my larger cups go up top. So, check. Next, we're gonna look for a pot. This you would use to cook like your spaghetti or boil water, large things. I make stuffed peppers that are pretty good, and I boil my peppers first in there. So in my house, it's really kind of strange because I keep all my pots and pans down here. I don't have a lot of cupboard space, and so my lids, however, to all my pans are in a different location. So here's my pot right here that I use for boiling large items or making my spaghetti noodles. But my lids are kept under my stove, my oven right here. So here's all my lids. Yours are probably in different locations in your house, which is totally normal. It's just how we organize our kitchens, it's always different. So that's where my pots are in my kitchen. So check, that one is done. So now that we've completed this scavenger hunt, or we have found these items in this kitchen, now we're going to do the activity where we actually cut these pieces out and match them to these sheets here.